You won't believe the large-scale sculptural art being produced by these students.
It's great to learn a useful trade like welding. Even better to use these skills to give back to our community through crafting metal sculptures.
It's an absolutely beautiful piece. The fact that it was made by high school students is extraordinary. The Dietrich families are so proud to be a part of it.
The Jordan Art Walk now has 14 sculptures on display in Memorial and Sportsman's Park, including the magnificent Jordan the Swan sculpture. Heading into our third year, the Art Walk continues to link our town, bridge our generations, and connect our community. And we are inviting you to be part of a very special sculpture project.
We want to continue this priceless hands-on learning experience. This year's sculpture will honor our military veterans. We hope this will become a lasting community landmark upon completion and dedication next year in June.
In order to complete the 9-foot stainless steel star sculpture by that time, work needs to start in October. My students and I are anxious to get started.
These safe and durable pieces of public art do not happen without community support.
Prices of welding materials, supplies, and tools have increased. We are asking for your support for our crowdfunding campaign to help make this educational experience possible.
It means a lot for us to create this beautiful tribute for our military veterans.
Our art walk has drawn in thousands of people to enjoy and experience our current sculptures on display. We are confident that this tribute to honor our veterans will bring individuals and families to visit this sculpture and our community.
We need your financial support to purchase materials, supplies, and cover other costs to create another memorable public piece of lasting art.
Our goal is to raise $10,000. This will cover materials, design, and placement of the sculpture. Your donation and support for this special community project will be appreciated and enjoyed for years to come.
The Jordan Valley Honor Star is our tribute to those who gave for us.
Thank you for your support. Watch our progress of the upcoming school year on Facebook or on the Jordan Art Walk website.